Hi everyone, so my Battle Styles Elite Trainer boxes have finally arrived. So today we're going to be opening this blue one, the Rapid Strike Shifu on there. So let's get right to it. Okay. Oh, of course we have the book with the lists in, all the cards. And on these ones, the outer packaging does actually open up and gives you some artworks there from the packs. Okay, and inside, we've also got the rules for the card game, the dividers, nice and blue, quite good ones them actually, quite like them. We got the energy card, of course. We have the sleeves. It's very nice actually. Do quite like those ones. Also got the counters. The die. And feel free, get yourself a code there for TCGO. And we have the 8 packs. Okay. So we've ended up with 3 Empoleon artwork packs, 2 Rapid Strike Shifus, 2 Single Strike Shifus, and 1 Tyranitar. So we'll work our way across. And out of these 8, I will give away 5 of the codes. So let's get right to it. Now, of course, if you watched the previous video, I have opened a Battle Styles booster box. So I'll most likely have a lot of the pulls, but hopefully get a lot that I haven't as well. So, first code there, Go Nuts. And to start off with, we have Honedge, a Gligar, Electabuzz, Bellsprout, a Bronzor, a reverse hollow trainer card there, Tool Gemmer, a Conkeldurr, Energy, a Heatmore, trainer card, and another trainer card there. Okay, I have to be honest, not impressed with the pulls from that pack at all. No, a lot of people have been complaining about the pull rates from Battle Styles, so hopefully this next pack be a bit better. Second code. As always, feel free, let me know what you got in the comments or on social, Instagram and Twitter. And we have an Esper, a Timber, Galarian Slowpoke, a Corphish, a Salandit, a Reverse Hollow Houndour, Single Strike. Now I have pulled this card previously, but not a Hollow or Reverse Hollow version, so that's something. Yeah. Well, and there's me complaining about the pulls I've been getting, and we get a gold, my first ever gold pull. Octillery Rapid Strike there, and look at that. Lovely. And of course we've got the energy, the trainer, and just the Bisharp. Okay, so I think it's fair to say that was a much improved pack. And on to our last Empoleon artwork pack. hopefully that sort of luck will continue through as well. Okay, code time, code number 3. And starts off with, we have a Lickitung going for a run, an Electabuzz, an Esper, a Timber, a Galarian Slowpoke, a Reverse Hollow Angry Morpeko. Do like the artwork on that one. A Vivillon, the Energy, Trainer, Heatmore, and a Pharaoh. Okay, so not a fantastic one that time, but I do like that Morpeko. I'll move on to these Rapid Strike Urshifu outer packs. Hopefully can pull one of the many Urshifus. I do have 2 Rapid Strike ones, the VMAX and the V. Not much single strike stuff though. Okay, again, code time, number 4. You know what? And we have a Sizzlipede, a Baltoy, a Timber, Corphish, Cacnea, a Reverse Hollow Trainer, Scroll of Scorn there, a Galarian Mr. Rhyme, and the Energy, a Luxio Rapid Strike, a Durant, and a Perugly. Oh, have to be honest, I'm getting a little sick of the Reverse Hollow Trainer cards, but last time we had a 4-pack, we pulled that gold Octillery, so fingers crossed similar happens this time. Okay, last code. All right. And we have Horsey, Single Strike Mankey, Galarian Slowpoke, a Fomantis, Remoraid Rapid Strike, a Reverse Hollow Vivillon, a Victory Bell, which I don't believe I've actually pulled so far, so I'll take it. I'll get the Energy, Pharaoh, Carnivine Rapid Strike, and just a trainer card. Let's sit down to our last 3 packs, and the Single Strike Urshifu artwork. See what's in here. Single Strike Urshifu would be very nice. One thing I have been noticing about these Battle Styles packs is they're a bit of a bark to open. Some of them don't open very well at all. Yeah, so I'm putting that code over there because there will be a giveaway very soon. Big one. We have Bellsprout, a Bronzor, Murkrow, a Horsey, Cherubi, another Reverse Hollow Trainer card, Single Strike Mustard this time, a Corviknight V, which I already have from the booster box. If you did watch that video, you'll know that my chase card is the Corviknight V Max, because I do like a Corviknight. Then we have the Energy, Doublade, Trainer, and Rapid Strike Energy. Okay, so 6 packs down, 2 to go. Fingers crossed for that Corviknight V Max. Or single striker Shifu. Okay, so again, just going to pop the code over there. And we have Murkrow, Horsey, Cherubi, Lickitung, Electabuzz, a reverse holo Pachirisu, Galarian Mr. Rhyme, Energy, a Carkol, Morpeko, because we pulled the reverse holo of that earlier, and a Durant. Okay, so last pack, the Tyranitar artwork. Now I would like a Tyranitar as well. I know everyone wants the sleepy one, really, but I don't have a Tyranitar at all in my collection. So would be a nice way to end this trainer box. And card over that. And it's a Mile single strike, Cherubi, a Pachirisu, a Chimecho, a Honedge, a reverse holo Honchkrow, an Empoleon V Rapid Strike. Now, it's not the chase card of the Tyranitar, I know, but I don't have that, so always happy to get a good pull that I haven't got. We've also got the Energy, Spupa, Gliscor, and Sodward and Shieldbert trainer card. Okay, so that's all the packs opened, and the highlights are undoubtedly the Corviknight V, which is a nice card, the Empoleon V Rapid Strike, which, as I just mentioned, I haven't pulled previously, so happy with that. Nice card. And the Gold Octillery. Okay, just a quick preview before we go of what's to come later this month. I do have another Hidden Fates Elite Trainer box on order, which we will be opening at some point. Also have some Series 5 Pokeballs due, so I've got 6 of them on the way. And the Blastoise and Venusaur battle boxes from Battle Styles will be due soon as well. And whenever they turn up, eventually, who knows these days, the ETB pluses, I have 2 of them, the Zacky and Zamazenta ones from Sword and Shield. And hopefully we can open all that and more this month. So if you want to see those and the giveaway I'm going to be doing for the TCGO cards, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.